Today we are cooking the rice and the beans and all the vegetables. We're cooking on what's called a fogon. It's really ingenious. And so as you can see, we just used 3 half blocks. 3 blocks in a triangle, put the wood underneath in a great big pot. Now look at this smoke. The smoke is coming up from the Nancy wood, which is the best wood in the world to use. It comes up and it goes into the rice as it's cooking, and it gives a flavor like no other. Wow, it's absolutely amazing. This is called a fogon. It's very, I mean, it's just ingenious, but it's cheap. It doesn't take anything to put one together. So that's what we do out here. We're getting ready to build a kitchen that's going to have beautiful tiled floors right here where we're at right now. It's just a mess out here. It's raining like crazy, washing all of our dirt away, and we just need a licensable, glory to God kitchen. So we're getting ready to put one together. With your help, support, donations, we'll make that happen. We're receiving it on the website at globalfoodproviders.com. $10, $100, whatever kind of donation you'd like to make towards this, we really appreciate it. And we're going to have built-in professional fogons so that we can do multiple pots at one time, all set up. And so right now I'm bent over at a 90-degree angle because it's down on the ground, but these are going to be up in the air, so we don't have to bend over anymore. It's going to be amazing, amazing for Panama. Okay, well, I hope that you build your own fogon out in your backyard sometime. Try this and watch what the smoke does to the food that you're cooking. It's absolutely amazing.